10 minutes is all you need for this invigorating summer ramen. The no-cook broth technique creates the ultimate refreshment while unexpected toppings sync together perfectly. Time to revolutionize the summer noodle game. For a printable version of this recipe, visit my website, just Google Hiyashi Ramen Sudachi to find me. Let's start by gathering all our broth ingredients in a bowl. We're combining 1 tablespoon of Chinese-style chicken bouillon powder with 1 teaspoon of dashi granules and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now, here's a clever trick. We're going to add just 4 tablespoons of hot water to this mixture and stir everything until it's completely dissolved. Using hot water here ensures that all those granules and sugar dissolve fully. This little technique makes all the difference in creating a smooth, well-integrated broth base. These instant flavor boosters are absolutely brilliant for getting a tasty broth without any heat, which is exactly what we want on those scorching summer days. Once it's all dissolved, let's add the rest of our flavor. 1 tablespoon of Japanese soy sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Then we're lightly crushing 2 tablespoons of bonito flakes or katsuobushi straight into the bowl. Give those bonito flakes a gentle crush before adding them to release more of the umami-rich flavor. They really enhance the broth and give it the Japanese flair we're after. As always, all ingredients and exact measurement for this recipe can be found in the description box below. Give it another mix and then set aside for later. Let's rehydrate our wakame seaweed now. Just soak about 1 tablespoon of dried wakame in water following the package instructions. You can do this while prepping the other components. Time to cook our ramen noodles. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. I'm using fresh noodles here, but high quality store-bought dried noodles work too. Just avoid those fried noodles from instant cup ramen. They simply won't do this dish justice. Cook the ramen noodles for about 1 minute longer than the package instructions say. This extra cooking time compensates for the firming effect you get from the ice water rinse later. It makes all the difference in achieving the perfect noodle texture. Drain the cooked noodles in a colander and rinse them thoroughly with cold water. Then plunge them into a bowl of cold water and add a few ice cubes to make them extra cold. Let's finalize our broth now. Add a handful of ice to a measuring jug and fill it up to 400 ml with cold water. That's 200 ml of ice water per portion. The ice is crucial here. We want this broth absolutely ice cold for maximum refreshment. Mix this ice water with a cooled broth mixture and there you have it. The final chilled soup base for our dish. The ice cubes haven't even melted. Now for the ground assembly. Divide those perfectly cooked noodles between serving bowls and pour the chilled broth over them. By the way, if you love this cold ramen, I think you also love my cold tantamen recipe. Check the description for more related recipes. Top each bowl with your choice of toppings. Here I've got some halved ramen eggs, soft-boiled eggs are also fine. Then the rehydrated wakame that I squeezed the excess water out of. Some finely chopped green onions and seasoned bamboo shoots. Finally, you might raise your eyebrows at this one, but I'm adding some dry killed Jamón Serrano. Killed ham goes surprisingly well with my cold ramen broth. You could also use prosciutto if that's more accessible. Finish with a sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper and a drizzle of toasted sesame oil. And there you have it, your 10-minute Hiyashi Ramen. This is something extra special that I developed specifically for those hot and sticky days, but still crave a satisfying bowl of ramen. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. Okay, let's go over the ingredients one more time. And if you're ready to cook, grab the written instructions by clicking the full recipe box with a picture that's about to pop up on your screen. Here we go, the link to the full recipe is on the screen for you now, and if you want to watch more similar videos, don't miss my summer recipe playlist popping up on your screen as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.